So I am going to click start and open code. That is the Visual Studio Code. You just type code. Now I have opened it, and then even though it has opened this, but let me just tell you what we can do. We just go to file and we click open folder. We did this before, and then we go to document. This is the tutorial, this is the coding project, and this is the project I want to open. I click select folder, and automatically it opens it here for me. That's just what has happened. So I click this index.html. It's a file I have prepared for this lesson to show you everything that we have had on the board and how everything is going to play out. So first of all, before we continue, I want you to come to this. Let me actually zoom this in so that you can see everything very well. So now, if I come to this side, there should be this that is saying extension, right? So before I zoomed this, let me show you how it was. This is it. You can see it here. You understand this extension. See this logo. I click it and then I need you to install two extensions. Once you click it, it comes to here, it says search extension. I will install the live server. This will help us to actually run our code in the browser without hassles. I will install this one that says retweet day. Install that. While that one is installing, I am searching for another one which is prettier code formatter. Prettier code formatter. Yeah, it has come for me, and this is the one that has this tick. I will install that one too, and then it has installed. So another thing I can do is to make sure that once I type my code, it is saved automatically. So for me to do that, I have to click file, and then I should go down and I will see autosave. Click it. Then autosave is now on. So once we have done this, I will close this once and then open the index.html. And then click this one the second time so that I close this area and then I have only my code. Click it and then we have it here. So now what prettier can do for us, as you can see, we have the doc type declaration and we have HTML, and we say that both the head and the body are inside HTML and should indent, and probably something I have typed and it's not well formatted, the prettier can do it for me. What will I do? I come and right click right inside here and I say format document with. Then I should be able to select prettier code formatter because I installed it. You saw me install that. So once I click that, it should okay, so I think why we had that issue is because of this, and then I will bring it back to life. So all I wanted is for you to see the indentation. That HTML, now we have the head here, and then we have the body, not in the same line with HTML because they are children of the HTML. So visually you can see that head is the first child, and then body is ending here is the, so what is this? This is wrong. Okay, so and then HTML and ends here. So now you can see what we are talking about. Okay, let's remove this href for now. Then I remove it, Control X, and remove the anchor elements. And it's just said visit the WHO. So if I want to make this a link, what I should do is to remove the text. When I remove the text, I put the anchor element and end the anchor element, the start and end tag of the anchor element. Then I'll come here and I bring back the WHO here. So this says visit the WHO, but I need to put the href here, right? So then there should be a space. It's in the start tag. There should be a space between the A and the href I want to type. It has brought it for me. Press enter. It will complete the syntax, which is equal sign and open and close quote. It's waiting for me. Please add the address. I will now say https www.who.int. When I do this, so I can now use the live server that I have installed. I right click this code And then when I scroll down, you can see open with live server because I installed it. When I click it now, it will run this in a browser and open it automatically. It's now running in my browser and it has opened it. Look at what we have typed. And this one is saying visit WHO. This is a paragraph and this is another paragraph. And this is a button. You can see if I click this now, see what is going to happen. It has gone to WHO website automatically, right? So I can click this back to go back to this place. Then let's go back to the code, or we can dock this to the right. Just hold down my Windows key and right arrow key, and it should go to the right. I click this code, so this code will be right here, and then what I'm doing is right here. So I want to tell you that if I want to change this WHO now to WO, you can see it change instantly because of the live server. So that's why I wanted you to do that, so that you can be coding and be seeing the result of your code instantly, right? And that's what we want to do. So now let me maximize this and then let's look at this. Let me zoom it in a little bit. So now you can see that in our paragraph, visit D, so the WHO, we didn't just type it, but we made it a child of the anchor element, and the anchor element, the start tag, we put the href and put where this is referring us to, and then that's that. So let's say that I want somebody that when you point on this button that says click me, I will say you are about to click me, something like that. Just when you point this, just like we saw other places, or this one, when you point it, I should be giving you the full meaning of this WHO. And then let me leave that and do it on this button. Click me. So if I come to this button, look at the start tag of a button, and this is the end tag. This is how we make a button in HTML. We just use the button element. So now this is the start tag, and we say that just after the tag name, I should give a space, and then I should put another attribute that I know, which is called title attribute. I do equal sign and I put this open and close quotes. So the title now should make it possible that when somebody points on anything, you should have a descriptive text that we call the tooltips, giving you a tip about the tool you're about to use or about whatever you are pointing on the computer screen. So I will now say, hey, you are about to click me. Maybe this is what I want to be there. Remember, I don't need to save again because the autosave is on. Let us go back to that page again, and then I go and hover on the click me. It's saying what? Hey, you are about to click me. Did you see that? Or do you want me to actually increase the zoom? Let me increase the zoom and go down and then point this, and it's saying what? Hey, that's what it's saying there. Hey, you are about to click me. Okay, I think that will bring us to the end of this lesson. There are Boolean attributes, and what Boolean attribute does is that it doesn't have the value right there, but I'm going to show you when I treat the input element, where you can see some or audio elements. We are going to come and I'm going to see the Boolean attributes, and I'm sure I'm going to remember that and mention it to you. Thank you. And if you like this lesson, please, if you're watching me from Facebook, like, and if you've not followed me, follow me, and comment also, and share it if you have the time. If you're watching me from YouTube, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button and select all, so that whenever I release any lesson, you're going to see it as a notification. Thank you, and see you on the next one. Bye.